Today I'm going to be showing you how to use WhatsApp on your computer. Let's jump in. So if you've been using WhatsApp on your phone and you want to be able to use it on your computer or have it up while you're working, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first, we're just going to head over to WhatsApp. You can just search for it in the web browser and it'll come up. You click on that here. And once you're here, you have two options. You can either log in on the web interface so that you can use it online, or you can download the app. Both of them will work kind of the same way. There's a few more features that are in the app version, like you can do voice calls or screen calls. But as far as the messaging, you can just use the web interface. So you click on login and it's going to take you to a screen like this. And what it's going to do is you're going to sync that with your phone app. So I'm going to jump into my app here on my phone and open up WhatsApp on your phone. And then you just want to go to your settings. And once you're in there, you'll see down towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see link devices. So you just click on that and tap on link device. It's going to ask you for your passcode here. And then all you need to do is scan the QR code that's on your screen. And then it will now show you that that device is linked on your phone. And then it brings up your messages here on your computer. And so from here, you could see your conversations over on the left, tap in the conversation that you want to talk on. You could react to any messages that are in there just by tapping that little emoji. Just type in with your keyboard, hit enter, takes you to the next message. You could also add stickers. So let's say you just want to add an emoji there, just like that. You could add any attachments. And this is really kind of the main feature why I like to have this on my computer is now I can attach documents, photos that are on my computer, audio files that are stored on my computer. I can add them easily into a message that way. All the same functionality is there, just like you would find on your mobile app. And then anything that happens in here is going to be synced with your account on your phone, so you can kind of go back and forth that way. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.